Today at Blade Ops, we are taking a look at the Ontario Rat Models 1 and 2. These models are still some of the most durable and affordable folders on the market. They're a perfect gift for your friends and family, especially with the holidays right around that corner. Both knives featured textured nylon handles with 4 different ways that you can mount the clip for any type of carry, as well as a nice mid-grade steel using that AUS-8, slightly softer steel, so it means it's super easy to sharpen and holds a pretty good edge. Now, as you can see, the Rat 1 quite a bit bigger, about 8.5 inches overall, with a 3.5 inch blade, weighing it a little bit beefier, 4.5 ounces. Super smooth action. Definitely geared towards that heavy work. The Rat 2, as you can see, is a slightly smaller variation. It's about 7 inches overall, 3-inch blade. Laying it a more EDC friendly 2.8 ounces. Definitely can't go wrong with either one. Both models come in a variety of colors and styles, so make sure to get yours at Blade Ops.